Welcome to MSP Packaging Solutions. We are proud to introduce the world's first fully automatic Goli Soda Machine, which is only manufactured by MSP Packaging Solutions. The fully automatic 40 BPM Goli Soda PET bottle washing filling capping machine. Let's take a closer look at how this advanced machine works and explore its incredible features that set it apart from anything else on the market. The journey begins with the bottle washing stage. This machine is designed to work with both PET and glass bottles. The system starts by automatically loading the bottles into the washing unit, where they go through an intense cleaning process. The bottles are washed both inside and outside using high-pressure jets to ensure they are completely free of dust, particles, and contaminants. This ensures that each bottle is safe and ready for the filling process. Once the bottles are thoroughly washed, they move on to the flavor filling station. This machine supports filling 4 different types of flavors. Whether you're producing classic Goli soda or experimenting with new, exciting flavors, this machine can handle it all. The filling process is fully automated. The marble is gently placed inside the bottle just after the filling stage, giving it that classic Goli soda look and function. This automated process ensures every bottle gets the perfect Goli, with 0 errors or delays. Following the Goli dropping, the machine moves to cap placement and sealing. The machine places the inner washer and the outer cap with precision. Then, the outer capping unit seals the bottle tightly to lock in the freshness and carbonation. Once capped, the bottles are transported via a conveyor belt to the 16-head soda filling unit. The conveyor system carefully moves the bottles to prevent any damage or spillage. The automatic bottle unloader ensures a seamless and safe transition of bottles from one stage to the next. At the heart of the machine lies the 16-head soda filling unit. This section is designed to fill up to 40 bottles per minute, with a total production output of 2,000 to 2,500 bottles per hour. The machine ensures each bottle is filled with the right amount of soda, maintaining uniformity across the production line. With a no bottle, no operation safety feature, the system guarantees that the filling heads only activate when a bottle is present, reducing waste and preventing errors. Finally, the bottles move on to the labeling unit. The labels are applied with precision, and the bottles then pass through a heat shrink tunnel that securely shrinks the labels around the bottles. This gives each bottle a professional, finished look, making them ready for distribution. This fully automated system handles every step, from washing to capping to labeling, with incredible speed and efficiency. Operating on 12 to 13 kilowatts of power, it is a heavy-duty machine with a PLC Operated System, CIP cleaning technology, and a user-friendly touchscreen HMI interface. The world's first fully automatic Goli Soda Machine, manufactured only by MSP Packaging Solutions, is truly a game-changer for the beverage industry. If you're looking to revolutionize your Goli soda production, this is the machine for you. Contact MSP Packaging Solutions today to learn more. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more updates and information about our cutting-edge packaging solutions.